Is YouTuber.Money really a way to earn $36 per hour just by watching YouTube videos, or is it a complete waste of time? My name is Michael and many viewers have asked me about this platform, so I decided to take a look and test it for myself. And let me just reveal right away, there are some very important details you need to know. And in this YouTuber.Money review, I will give you all the details so you know exactly what to expect. So let's start by going over the name, because that can be a bit confusing, because the website is called YouTuber.Money, but the logo says YouTuber Cash. And this is basically because the website URL also used to be YouTuber.Cash, but they have changed it now, but they haven't been bothered to apparently change the logo. But I actually also have a video about YouTuber Cash. I will also leave a link to that in the top corner, so you can check that out if you want to know. But I will now go over YouTuber.Money, if there are any changes or what the difference is. But this is just to clarify the name, because it can be a little bit confusing. There's a different logo here, but it's basically the same site. It's just now changed its name to YouTuber.Money. But what does YouTuber.Money then offer? So as you can see on the website, you can watch YouTube videos, and it says you can get 60 cents per minute. So that means that you could potentially earn $36 per hour of watching. You would just choose any of these. You can see this one, I would get $86 for watching this, and this one I would get $3.25, and this one $104 just for watching this. And the thing is, you could potentially just leave it running. So I would just need to click this and then it will open up. It's a little bit slow sometimes, but it will open. And I now try to just pause it so it doesn't like disturb us while I'm talking, because there's a lot of sound in the background there. But you can see it basically counts down. So you see I can't pause it, so I'm not allowed to pause the video. So once you start it, if you want to earn, you supposedly need to let it run for the full length. And this one here would be 10,418 seconds it would need to run. But again, you know, if you could really earn that way, you can just let it run and then go somewhere else, do something else. And this is supposedly how you earn. You can just keep watching YouTube videos like this and potentially earn really good money. Or can you? Well, let's talk about that next. So if you go to your profile, you can see that you can withdraw money. You can see how much you have in your account, and then you just click to withdraw, and then you have these different options. But not until actually when you click it, you can see it says I need to just put my PayPal email. I would suggest you do not put any real information. Do not put your real PayPal, do not put your credit card information, anything like that. But I'll just now try to put something in here just to show you what then happens. And then you just click to withdraw, and then you can see not until after you have given them personal information, your credit card, your PayPal, whatever it is that you choose, or your Bitcoin wallet address or whatever, not until after you've given them personal sensitive information, they tell you, oh, you need to earn $200 to withdraw. First of all, that's an extremely high payout threshold for any site that offers you to earn by watching videos. Secondly, any platform that does not show you the payout threshold until after you try to withdraw, until after you're given sensitive information, is something you have to be really careful of, and it's a huge red flag. So can you then actually get paid? Let's talk about that next. So let me just make it clear. YouTuber.Money is a complete waste of time. It's the exact same thing as YouTuber.Cash. There's a reason they changed the URL, and that is too many people found out that YouTuber.Cash was not paying, and then they just changed it called YouTuber.Money. And many people have asked me about it, and I just wanted to make it clear that it's the exact same thing. Of course, you cannot earn $36 per hour for watching random YouTube videos. Yes, they say advertisers are willing to pay that, but of course they are not. Nobody would be willing to pay you $36 per hour to watch their YouTube videos. This is just randomly embedded YouTube videos. The people that have the video showing here have no idea the videos are showing. Exactly what YouTuber.Money will do with your information, I have no idea, but what I do know is that they will not use it to pay you. You will not get paid. You will just waste your time. if you want to earn money by watching videos, you will not earn this much. Earning money by watching videos is in general not a very effective way to earn, but I do have a list on my website with realistic platforms that do offer that. It will not earn you that much at all. I want to make that completely clear, but if that is an earning method you're interested, I will leave a link below so you can go there and check that out. I also have a video about the best ways to earn by watching videos. I will leave a link in the top corner. But to earn really good money online, then you should do other methods instead. I will also leave a link below to some info I have about my top recommended way to, for example, build a full-time income long-term, but that is only if you're serious and willing to put in a lot of time and effort to get there. But my main point about this video is just to stop you from spending time on YouTuber.Money, because there's a reason that they changed it from YouTuber Cash to YouTuber.Money. None of them were ever going to pay you. You're just risking sharing sensitive information and wasting a lot of time and even the time of other people, because they say that you can also earn by inviting other people. And if you have invited other people, please share this video with them and tell them to watch it and apologize for inviting them, because if they don't know, they will also just keep wasting their time and invite other people, and it's just not fair. And I hope this video helped you figure out why you should be very careful with this website, and in general any website that you claim you can earn huge money or full-time income just by watching videos, because it's just not realistic. And if the video helped you, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.